This is going to be the easiest recipe ever. Today I am making homemade sprinkles with just 3 ingredients: sugar, corn flour and water. I am also going to use some food colors which are completely optional. They can be used in cakes, cupcakes and many more. Hello and welcome to Belly Timber House. Here I am using 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes. This recipe is eggless, but if you eat eggs, replace the corn flour with 1 tablespoon of egg powder and prepare the batter. Once you prepare the batter, divide the batter into 5 to 6 parts. I am dividing it into 6 equal parts. I am also adding red, yellow, orange, green, blue color, and in the last one I am not adding any color. Fill each of these icing in the piping bags. Here is the fun part. If you have parchment paper or butter paper, then place it in a tray. If you don't have these also, it's totally fine. I'm making lines out of 4 colors and rest I'm making small dots for round sprinkles. Let the sheets dry for 2 hours and then when they are dry, crack them. I'm cracking them using my hands, but if you want equal sized sprinkles, you can also use a knife. Now we have all our sprinkles ready. Store these in a container and use for as long as you want. I hope you like this recipe. If you make these sprinkles, send me a picture on Instagram tagging Belly Timber House and hit the bell icon for more updates.